Hello friends, good day to all of you. So the monsoon has started. During the monsoon on a rainy day, what we crave for is pakoras. Nothing like pakoras with masala chai, some hot fritters. So let's prepare the Sindhi style Sanna Pakora today. Sanna Pakora are double fried pakoras. We fry first into bigger chunks, break them into pieces and refry them to a crispy texture. These are really very delicious. So let's go and prepare our Sindhi Sanna Pakora.
Here is the list of ingredients for making Sindhi Sana Pakora. Detailed recipe link is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. First, let us start by sifting the besan or gram flour. This will help to break all the lumps. Sift it in a larger bowl so that it's easier to mix. Now we'll start mixing all the ingredients one by one, starting with the dry ones first. Salt, baking soda and red chilli powder. Give them a stir. Next I'm adding crushed coriander seeds, green chillies, finely chopped, and crushed Anardana or pomegranate seeds. Mix them also, and you can increase the chillies if you like it spicier. Now goes in the finely chopped onion, fresh coriander leaves and some mint leaves. Mint really enhances the flavor of the pakoras. Stir them nicely. Now add water little by little. We need to make a thick batter like dough. Remember, the batter should not be runny, so add water almost like a tablespoon at a time, because gram flour doesn't take much water. The concept of Sanna Pakora is totally different, unlike the normal ones where we make a thin batter and drop spoonfuls and fry them. Now this is nearly done. Perfect. This is how the consistency should be. Now heat oil in a pan, preferably a wider one. Once the oil is hot, check it. This is the tip I have mentioned earlier also. Insert a wooden skewer. When you see the bubbles, oil is ready. Now drop big chunks of mixture into this oil. Reduce the flame to medium. Now I have divided the entire mixture into 6 chunks. These will be fried and later on broken and refried. Keep the flame at medium all the time. Because we need to fry the inside part well. If you do it on the high flame, the outer layer becomes dark brown and inside will remain raw. Turn them a couple of times so that they get fried evenly. Time to turn them again. They are now nearly done. You can check by inserting a skewer inside. If it comes out clean, they are done, like we do with a cake. Now we will remove and set them aside. These can be fried, pre-fried and stored, so that it's easier when you want to serve your guests. You can break into pieces, fry them fresh and serve them immediately. Here we go. Now these chunks are going to be broken into smaller pieces. I'm breaking 5 pieces from one chunk. This is a very different style of making pakoras. Interesting, isn't it? Now this is done. We are going to refry them again. Check the oil if it is hot. Drop about 8 or 10 pakoras at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan. This way you get a crunchier texture because the pakoras need enough room to be tossed around. If you add too many at a time, the temperature of the oil goes down and the pakoras will become very oily. They will soak a lot of oil. This is another tip. Keep turning them continuously so that they get fried evenly and become nice and crisp on all the sides. Look at the perfect texture. Remove them on absorbent paper. Now repeat with the remaining pakoras. The entire batch I am frying 3 to 4 times, putting few at a time. This way all the pakoras are done. Nice and crispy. They look so delicious, isn't it? So friends, do make and enjoy these crispy and crunchy pakoras. Who can ever say no to such a lovely snack? It makes a perfect tea time snack, especially in the monsoon on a rainy day. Wow, let's taste it. So crunchy, perfect. Lovely, irresistible pakoras. So friends, make and enjoy them with your family and friends. Thank you for always supporting me, my channel, and showing your love. Continue doing so. I shall soon be back with one more recipe. Bye until then. Stay safe. Take good care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. And here are some videos from the archives. You might have missed them earlier, so you can check them out and watch them now.